Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Markets were slightly quiet overnight as the US was out in observance for Juneteenth, which was observed on Sunday. The holiday is in view of Black Independence Day and Jubilee Day and was, with the US closed for the first time in US history, the market was a little bit quiet. Nevertheless, the Australian dollar, if we observe it, still maintains a somewhat bullish pattern and therefore looks towards a region of 69.80, which was challenged this morning, and then on towards 70.15 to 71 cents, where I hold a bullish view towards this region due to the current firming of the technicals. Any pullback should find support for the Australian dollar around 69.15.25. The euro still maintains its steady upward trek as the market now pushes on towards 105.45. Now a break there does give further view or scope towards the region of 106 that may stretch towards 106.65. The dollar, of course, which measures the greenback strength against the basket of six major currencies, was flat due to the US holiday. Any pullback for the euro should find support around 104.70. The dollar yen, well, I'm a little bit mixed as we get closer towards that top side of the range, around 135.40.60 area. I feel the market is still weak in terms of the technical pattern. Although demand continues to push higher, the fact is we could see a bull trap and therefore see the market reverse sharply and look back towards that bottom side of the range, but I still view around that 131 level. Sterling edged higher as well and still maintaining its upward trek due to the bullish implications from the technicals. Could see a rise up towards the region of 122.85 and a break there views to 123 to 124, where the trend line comes in roughly around 124 figure 40. Any pullback should find support around 121.70 to 122.40. Sterling Kiwi, well, that whipsaw price action overnight did catch a low around 191.98. So a little bit short of its target of reaching 191. Nevertheless, the rebound may actually see a small trek up towards the start of the day, but I feel overall towards the region of 193.70 and beyond should fail and eventually see another down test. Also, gold was a little bit lackluster in terms of direction, and the market still maintains around that 1,840. I do feel that we could see a further slide, but it needs to break 1,830 to trigger any bearish sentiment. Failing that, then overall the broader range is around 1,830 to 1,852, and with a cap seen anywhere from 62 to up to 80. Since the 6% drop, oil has shown a little bit of recovery in the last 12 to 24 hours and now pushes back towards where the break level was at 109.60.90. I do feel the market may actually attempt to try and break that level, as we can see that we are just pressing on that region now. But the technicals are still somewhat negative, so let's see if the market can fail around this region, or would fail around this region, should I say, and therefore could see another pullback with a downside around 104. But as I mentioned yesterday, that heavy sell-off from 115 down towards 107, 106 did reach my objective. So in the short term, I think I'd rather sit neutral just to see where opportunity may be slightly better, because a break of 109.90 could see a little squeeze up to 111. So I don't really want to be short here. I'd rather be short a little bit higher up. So let's see how it plays into today. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.